Hi, my name is Garrett Emmerich. I'm going to go over my CSE274 Zeitgeist project. So to start, I'm going to talk about the data structure. The data structure is essentially a hash table with a linked list within each bucket. Although I'm not using pointers, I'm using two separate arrays to make it a little bit faster. So what it's going to do is if you try to insert a word, it's going to generate a hash, and it's going to go to its associated table in the bucket. So you have whale here, but let's say you try to add dog, and it collided with whale. What it's going to do is there's a collision array, and it's going to put it in the next available index in that collision array, and it's going to give that index to whale, and whale will know where it is in the collision array. So next time you search for dog, it's going to know it's not a whale, so it's going to look in the collision array, and it's going to get the first index to search for from whale. And if cat was also put in the same bucket, whale would look at dog. Dog's not a cat, and dog would also have a index of the collision array where the cat's going to be. So you go from dog to cat, and that's where you would find it. And if you found nothing, it would create the index for cat and give that to dog so that it would know where cat's being stored. And that's essentially how it works. So I just started about 5 seconds ago. As you can see, it's running through. It doesn't take too long. It can be faster. I've been having some issues, which I'll discuss later, that I've been trying to fix, so it's getting really slow. Before, most of these were below, what is this, 10,000? Yeah, they're below 10,000 milliseconds per word, but it's kind of taking a little bit longer because I've been trying to fix it. So when you try to increase the count, what it's going to do, as you can see here, it's going to generate a hash. If that's not the data, it's going to go to the collision table and add it. If it is, it's going to update it. Essentially how it works. I'll show you guys the output so I can try to show you guys what is wrong. So we'll just do 23,684. As you can see here, they seem to be in order, and it works for the most part, but there are some weird bugs. You'll have ones that are oddly out of place, like page, and as you go down, it gets more and more out of order. I'm not sure what causes this. I think it's in my update and popular method. Something wrong with the pointers. I could do something like an insertion sort. As mentioned in class, it would be kind of fast because it's mostly in order and just a few things are out of place. But it's something I would fix if I had more time. As you see, this is present in most of them. Some of them not as many as others. So this is a good one where it's only in a few places, like there. It's really, for the most part, it is in order. But other than that, that's my Zeitgeist project. Thank you for watching.